Hi. My hair is completely out of control. Doing an equipment review over like the most debated thing ever. Probably not ever. But the last couple of years, ever since Yeti came out, seems like coolers have been highly debated. This is no debate. This is just my opinion on one cooler. So I've got two Yeti coolers. This white 65 quart one. It's really big and really heavy. It's great for weekend camping trips and like long days going to the beach, but I don't find myself using it more than maybe once a month. I've also got a blue 45 quart it's been in one of my other videos. I use it a lot more often, more than that one, but it seems like when I end up using the white one, I also use the blue one, and then it all just depends. I just mix and match. But today is all about this bad boy, the RTIC. This is a 20 quart soft cooler. Pretty much love this thing. I used it yesterday. I mean, over the summer, and since I've got it, I've used it almost every day, at least 2 or 3 times a week, just for doing whatever, fishing. You can see, got some water, Mountain Dew. This water is actually really cold. I don't know that I'll be able to like illustrate it, but you can see it. There's still like, that's cold water. I would drink it. It's like grabbing a bottle of water out of a fridge. I filled it. I had this like full. All these were like standing upright full with water and a couple Mountain Dews and stuff. And I put it in there in the morning yesterday. It's pretty hot in Arkansas. It was 85 degrees yesterday. And it's kept it cold till the following day. So that was Monday, Labor Day. I put it in there that morning. It's now Tuesday at like 10 and it's still cold. What more can you ask for out of a soft cooler with ice that I got out of my ice maker at my house? Probably about 7 to 10 pounds plus 12 drinks of whatever kind of, regular size 12 to 24 ounce drinks. You can get 1 8-pound bag of ice, and that's perfect. It lasts all day. Doesn't matter how hot it is. I've taken it on the boat on Goose Ferry Lake, and it will keep ice cold all day. And like, if you're adding drinks to it because you're out there all day, they'll last all day. So when space is limited and you don't have a whole bunch of room to bring like the 65 quart cooler or a big cooler, then you just bring all the drinks you need, and then as you take a couple out, you add a couple. It's really not that bad. It cuts way down on space, and it keeps your drinks cold, and it gets them cold all day. Now, like the following day when it gets to water, it's not going to get them cold because there's no ice, obviously. But this thing, it's way worth it. It's only like, it was like $70, I think. I got it as a gift though. They're on Amazon for like 70. The design's changed a little bit, but it's awesome. Here's what I'm concerned about. I've had it since this past Christmas. It's now Labor Day, the day after Labor Day, like I mentioned, September 5th. Like that right there, that's starting to come loose. I've had it for 8 months. It was $70. It's pretty good bang for your buck. I mean, a Yeti one's $300 for something comparable. Okay, I mean, I can buy 3.5 of these. So if I get it, that's 3 years worth. I mean, a soft cooler for 3 years. I use this every day. Here. So, I mean, I think it's pretty good value. It's held up well so far. I don't know how much longer it will hold up, but I'm not complaining. And it floats. I've literally used that thing as a flotation device for like 50 yards, completely full. I was on Sandy Beach in Heber Springs. I needed to get out to a boat. The boat was anchored up pretty far off the shore. It was 10 or 12 feet of water, and I used that, put it by my chest, under my chin, held, doggy paddled on out there, and it worked great. How awesome is that? If you want one of these, you should get one of these. If you want a Yeti, you should get a Yeti. If you're thinking about this and you're not considering a Yeti and you're wondering about quality, that thing's the bomb. If you're trying to debate between this and a 20 quart hard cooler, if it was me, I'm going for that all day. Get what you need though. But the 20 quart hard cooler is way too heavy. And okay,
The thing about holding ice for 3 days,
What could you possibly need to hold ice for? For 3 days, that's only 20 quarts. You could only get 10 quarts worth of stuff. I mean, it just doesn't make it. Whatever.